Hello, this is Margaret Fetty from the University of Sewing at the Tailored Fit, and today we are going to talk about our L850 air threading serger from Bernina. This has been a long time in the making, and wait till you see the wonderful features this machine has. Today we have with us is Doria. Doria works for the University of Sewing, and I wanted to show her how to use this serger and show you just how easy it is. And you can let the audience know, Doria, you have never used this before, have you?
No.
And so she doesn't know how it's threading. This is all a brand new thing for her. Mm-hmm. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you some really fun things about this. Now, to thread the machine, one of the things we need to make sure is that our needles are in the highest position. We also have to move our foot out of the way. And so what you're going to do is move it this direction, kind of just push it there as far as it'll go. There, perfect. Now we're going to open up this. Check out, all the tools are right there. We're set and ready to go.
You don't need any little box.
No little boxes. So this is where you turn the air threader on. So let's turn that all the way to that little line. Now look at this. We have this red thread and it's cut off and it's not in there at all. So what I want you to do is pull enough so that it almost acts like it's enough thread to go that whole length right there. Perfect. Now you're going to stick it above this hole and then you're going to press on the foot pedal. You have to press on it. What did we do wrong here? Let's make sure we got this all the way up. So let's try it now. All right. Oh, there, let's try it now. There we go. Did you hear the little click? Apparently we needed this piece to be in exactly the right spot. Okay. And so, but look at that. Yeah. There's your thread.
Oh, I thought it was coming through that way.
No.
Wow.
So that's your lower looper thread. And check this out too. Look right here. You can move the knife blade out of the way.
I would love that.
Isn't that wonderful?
Yeah.
It's very wonderful. The other thing that it has is right here, the needle threaders. It turns out you can do either the right or the left needle threader.
Oh.
So that's really nice.
That's cool.
So here we go. And we're going to close this guy back up, but we have to turn this off all the way over. And then we have to go here and here. And see, in real life, things don't go absolutely perfect, but it's pretty darn close to it. And so right now, you can go ahead and put that in there. And do we have our knife blade up or down?
Up.
Okay, wonderful. So you can cut off some fabric if you want to do that. Lower that foot pedal. And feel that. Isn't that wonderful?
I love how it's not shaking the entire table.
I know, that's wonderful. It's got really good suction to the table, but it's also a nice firm machine, so it just feels very different, doesn't it?
Wow.
Pretty perfect stitching. All right, so we can show anyone how to use this. It takes very little. Did we do it perfect this time? No, and you probably won't the first time either, but that's okay. This is a great machine. We have a wonderful gift with purchase package on this, and we're also, for any pre-orders, you get the gifts with purchase, which is going to include your serger book. It's going to include a $500 gift certificate from us once the machine comes in. So contact us at theuniversityofsewing.com or go ahead and give us a call. Our phone number is 812-323-2665. Thanks, everybody, and we'll see you soon.